Imagine this, two particles separated by billions of miles, yet mysteriously connected. When something happens to one, the other instantly knows about it. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not. This is quantum entanglement, the strangest and most puzzling phenomenon in the universe. It's a concept that even left Albert Einstein scratching his head. He famously called it spooky action at a distance. But today, it's more than just a mystery. It's something we can actually experiment with. So, what's going on here? What is quantum entanglement? And how could it change everything we know about reality? Before we dive into entanglement, let's rewind and talk about quantum physics. It all starts at the tiniest level of our universe, way smaller than atoms. At this scale, particles don't behave like the objects we see around us. They don't have definite locations or speeds. They exist in a kind of haze of possibilities until we measure them. This is called superposition. A particle can be in multiple states at once until we take a look. And here's where it gets even stranger. When two particles are entangled, measuring one of them will instantly affect the other, even if they're light years apart. Let's break it down. Picture two particles that are created together. We say they become entangled. No matter how far they drift apart, their states are connected. If you measure one particle and find it spinning in a certain direction, the other particle will be spinning in the opposite direction, instantly. Even if they're on opposite sides of the universe, it's as if the two particles are communicating faster than the speed of light. But how is this possible? According to Einstein's theory of relativity, nothing can travel faster than light. So what's going on here? Is the information traveling between the particles, or is there something deeper about the fabric of the universe that we don't yet understand? So why should you care about quantum entanglement? Besides being an incredible mystery, it could revolutionize how we understand communication and technology. Imagine a future where information can be sent instantaneously, no lag, no delays. Scientists are already exploring the idea of quantum teleportation, where entanglement could allow us to transmit data faster than ever before. And that's not all. Entanglement plays a key role in the development of quantum computers, machines that could one day solve problems far beyond the capability of today's computers. From cryptography to drug discovery, quantum computing could change the world. But here's the thing. Quantum entanglement also raises some mind-boggling questions. Does it violate the laws of physics as we know them? Can particles really communicate faster than light? And most importantly, what does this tell us about the nature of reality? Some scientists suggest that entanglement isn't really about sending information at all. Maybe, just maybe, the two particles aren't separated at all. They're connected in a way we don't fully understand yet. It's as if the universe itself is holding them together in ways beyond our imagination. Quantum entanglement isn't just a curiosity, it's a doorway to a new understanding of our universe. As scientists continue to unlock the secrets of the quantum world, we may one day harness these strange powers for everyday use. But for now, entanglement remains one of the greatest puzzles in science, something that could redefine the limits of reality itself. So next time you think about the universe, remember, there's more connecting us than meets the eye, and quantum entanglement is the proof. Thanks for watching. If you found this as mind-blowing as I did, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible explorations into the mysteries of science. And let me know in the comments, what's the craziest thing you've learned about quantum physics? I'll be responding to as many comments as I can.